Ivor here from CF Affiliate. Thank you for coming along. You possibly got here through one of my ads, or you've seen this on Facebook or YouTube. So cool. This is the One Funnel Away Challenge funnel, where you will go to explain the funnel to you and to join up by hitting this red button. So today I'm going to give you the best I can complete walkthrough on how it will help you and what it's about. Now, the whole purpose of ClickFunnels is if you have a product or service to sell or promote, you need ClickFunnels. So basically, that's every business on the planet. Now, for $100, you get so much stuff. You get access to a private Facebook group. Russell will give you heaps of bonuses in here. There's the actual package. There's the video missions, which I'll show you. There's a coaching from Stephen and Julie. Stephen worked directly for Russell side by side for a number of years, building funnels for Russell. Russell being the CEO and all-time funnel master of the planet. Julie is a great friend of Russell's as well, and she is a master funnel builder, copywriter in her own right. Massive success. Both Stephen and Julie have a rags to riches story. Very worthwhile listening to them and understanding who they are and how they can help, because they have been in our shoes. They're in the shoes that we're in, and they've went through it and got to the other side. Now they're giving back. Within here, for only $100, like I said, you get the box. I have it next to me here. I'm going to quickly just explain this. Now in here you have the USB pen in the box, which is this one here. Now you can plug that into your vehicle like I do, where you can listen to it at all times, or just treat it like a typical USB pen. Now this is awesome. You can carry it around. It's pretty small. I love it. You have the workbook. In the workbook, there's sections in there to add notes per module. There's extra sections so you can put in some information that's relevant to you. There's heaps of room to be able to document your journey. And then you get the hard copy of the trainings from each entrepreneur that Russell has asked to document their story on what they would do in your shoes with limited budget and a ClickFunnels account for 30 days. So let's jump over to the membership site. So again, when you come in here and you join up by hitting this button, it will come across to here, and in here you'll have a welcome video from Russell, which I won't play because he does an awesome job, way better than me. So let Russell at it. But it's fantastic. It shows you everything, explains it down. The mission videos trainings are here, which you will get, excuse me, a day by day account. Every day you'll get an email sent to you. It'll have this video link. It'll take you here. You watch the video of the day. This is a catch-up day. No particular order. Let's just pick this one. That's in here. There's a video from Russell. Then there's a video from Julie and Stephen. There's a download PDF that you can look at to be able to go through and take notes at the same time. There's extra mission training here from people like Jim, who is the copy and writing secrets guy on the planet. He's brilliant. There's heaps and heaps and heaps of value. So what else I want to show you is the bonuses. Now the hard copy book I just shown you, these are the 30 entrepreneurs that Russell has chosen. So very high up there guys, been there, done that, all came like this, through from a basic account right up to multimillionaires to cracking this game and made themselves a life that they want. I like Trey, so I usually talk about him in here. For example, if you like e-commerce and selling online, there's a video there from Trey personally that talks about what he would do in your shoes. And then you can download the actual plan. And I'm just going to show you that quickly. In here, Trey, his actual plan is here. When you download it, you can print it, you can bind it. Talks about who he is, his story, goes into what he does on a daily basis, such as gets up, reads a motivational book, etc. Now, that is the same every time you select one of these entrepreneurs that Russell has chosen. Now the screen's just lagging a bit for a second. Here we go, back again. So I'll let you choose one of these that suits your niche and your interest. I've got 2 or 3, but generally I've had success just following Trey from what I like. But in here, there's other areas, but I want to show you the traffic secrets. So once you click this button here, it'll take you to your traffic secrets account. Now, there is packages in here that they talk about. I'm not ClickFunnels, so depending on how Russell does it, it's up to him how that is translated across. But I purchased the traffic secrets because it was a minuscule, cheap fee at the time, and it gives you all this marketing, how to get traffic online to your funnel. For me, the biggest thing was YouTube marketing, which is here, and then in there's a whole in-depth trading course on YouTube. There's also, if you wanted to do SEO, social media strategies, there's so much information in here, Facebook tips, Twitter tips, Instagram. If you want to learn how to do every aspect of traffic from Facebook, Google, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, whatever, just throw them out there, it's here. The Google AdWords, Amazon, it's just all here. Traffic secrets is everything you need. So that's why I picked that up. I'll leave that to yourself. Now there's a bootcamp section as well here if you wanted to be an affiliate marketer. I do a lot of that. In here, this is the bootcamp. I'll wait till the screen jumps across. Now in the bootcamp section, again, there is video tutorials that walk you through how to get everything done and be a super affiliate for ClickFunnels. And you will make money at this. Just 1 second, it's catching up. Spencer Meehan won the dream car several times. He has been, or probably still is, the #1 super affiliate in ClickFunnels. If he's not #1, he's top 5, something like that. He walks you through his videos and how to do it. Now there is a dream car element of ClickFunnels. Once you get through the course, you get the software. Now the software itself, you will get 14 days free trial on your ClickFunnels account before you have to pay for it. So if you think of the 30 days, 50% of it, you're going to get the software for free. So that's why it's important to go through the videos. It doesn't take too long. Build out as they say. Then they will tell you to join up for your basic ClickFunnels account. Then you move on, build your funnels. This should not cost you a lot of money to get going. Then you can pick up other things as you go. Then I personally moved on to affiliate marketing, digital marketing, stuff like that I wanted to do. And the thing is that once you become that ClickFunnels member, you have the option to be an affiliate of everything that they have. Every time somebody joins up for the ClickFunnels account, that adds to the fact that you can get closer and closer and closer to be a dream car winner as well. So you can win a car out of this. So again, come in here, hit the join button, go to the other side, start watching the videos, get prompted, get going and make it happen for yourself. Thank you, and I'll see you on the other side. And don't forget, go to the bottom, click my link, come in here, do the magic. You will get bonuses from me. You will get access to my private Facebook group, obviously the YouTube channel. I do Zoom calls every week where I help people through any tedious points or things you need help with. So I'm here to help. So I'm giving my time. Anything I have you can use. I will help you out to grow this. So let's see you on the other side and chat soon.